So I'm going to kiss the back of my hand and see if it's transfer proof. Rare Beauty Souffle Lip Matte Color. She has, how many shades does she have in this collection for her lip? 12 colors in this Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez Lip Souffle Matte Cream Lipstick. I wanted to get the red one where she wore it in her campaign, like that nice, elegant, like such a beautiful red shade. That's the color I wanted, but when I went to Sephora, they completely sold out of it. So this is the next color that I picked up. Berry tone. I'm just gonna apply this straight on. That's so soft. It feels so velvety on the lips. The doe foot applicator is making it really easy for applying to the really edge of the lips without making it like a messy, uneven, rigid look. Start with the texture. It feels so velvety on the lips. It just feels really nice, especially if you dry lips like me. It feels like a Sahara desert and it cracks. That's what happens when you have dry lips. This feels so nice. It feels really velvety. So most liquid lipsticks, they really settle down into my dry lips and it just looks really cracky and it doesn't look too cute. There are certain products that I can't use because of that, or it would cling onto the dry patches, and that's what happens when you have dry skin. It happens. This color feels so velvety on the lips. It's not drying out. And have you ever had those lipsticks that you tried out? When you talk after it dries out, it makes your lips feel really tight. It makes it feel really dry. This doesn't do that. It feels really hydrating. And it's not settling to my dry lip lines, which is really beautiful, which I love for that, especially with this product. I don't look like a Sahara desert. I really love how it feels on the lips and the way that it looks, and it's just the formula. This is described as a weightless Airwhips lip cream, hugs lips with rich color and nourishing hydration that gives a soft velvety matte finish. And it's on point with that. That's exactly what it is. I just want to try this if it's transfer proof. So I'm going to kiss the back of my hand and see if it's transfer proof. Even though I just applied it, it says it's a matte finish. It's definitely, it transfers. You could definitely see my lips on the back of my hand and the transfer. But just the way it feels, it's not completely matte, so it gives a nice hydration. But for the ones that I've tried that's completely matte, after it dries, when you talk, my lips feels really tight. It feels really dry, and you see like every little crack on my lips. But this one does transfer a little bit, but just having that hydration, the dry lips, and it feeling really comfortable, it's definitely worth it, I'd say. Personally, like, it's a really nice color, and if you want that pop of color, they have more of natural colors, like more of a bold color, whatever color that you choose, from like a natural look to like a full glam makeup look. Sometimes we like to dress up, we like to feel natural. Depending on how we feel that day is how we would dress up and do our makeup. But I definitely recommend this. You could always try it out for yourself and see how you like it, but I really enjoy this. It's so good for dry lips.